Hey everyone, Neil here.
Oh, dude, did you see that?
We're gonna do. No, I didn't see it.
Oh, sorry, I didn't.
Yeah, no. Sorry, I'm not. I'm not doing anything. No,
You didn't
please,
tell
no,
me you were
no.
streaming.
Go on, go on.
No, that's okay.
We're looking at what Battlefield.
Yeah.
You got a 360 no scope, some shit
No,
like
that's what
that.
Call of Duty people do.
Yeah. Okay. So, anyways, hey, I'm Neil. I'm doing modding tutorials. My homeboy back here is playing Battlefield, not realizing that I'm recording. Anyways, whatever. We're going to do recipes today.
Dude, I'm gonna say this
So, yeah, let's just dive right in and do it. So, one of the things that I did when I was offline is I came in and created some new stuff. Specifically, I created a copper block. You'll see that right there. I registered it. I also went into my resources, my block states. Nope, not it. Let's actually do a close all on this. Close all files. There we go. Now let's open copper block. This matches up with the iron block, right? I added my mod ID. I added the unlocalized name, which appears right here. I also went in and did a block model for it, right here. And I also went in and did an item model. So that way when it's in our inventory, in our hand, it shows up correctly. Sweet. Why did I do that? I did that for recipes. So we're going to come in here. We're going to do a, we're going to do a new package, and we're going to call this crafting, like so. And we're going to do a new ng recipes, just like so. I'm looking at my notes. Okay. We're going to create a new method. Still can't spell public static void. I'm going to do init recipes. Nice and tight little method there. And we're going to do some stuff. We're going to leave that where it is because we can type everything that we want to in here and nothing is going to happen. Nothing. What we need to do is come back to our proxies and make sure that we're doing the right thing. So let's go into our common proxy, and we are going to come down here and say ng recipes .init recipes. You'll notice that I actually did not put the R in uppercase, and it still did it. That's cool. ng recipes. So, we're going to do a couple of different things here. We're going to add a shapeless recipe. We're going to add a shaped recipe. That's the plan. So, some room to work. Game registry dot add recipe. And so what's our first one going to be? This is going to be a new item stack. Spell it right. Make sure we put our spaces in there. It's going to be a new item stack. Sweet Jesus. It's going to be a new item stack, ng blocks dot copper block, and we're going to do some stuff with this. We're going to say that it's going to be a new object, open and close brackets, and what do we want this to look like? Well, so a crafting table is 3 by 3. That means 1, 2, 3 across the top, 4, 5, 6 in the middle, 7, 8, 9 in the bottom. And if you've seen my previous tutorials, you have seen me do that. So we're going to say pound, 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 comma, quotations, pound, 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 comma, quotations, pound, 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 comma, enter. We're going to do an apostrophe, or in this case, what it looks like is a tick. And we're going to say that all of those pounds that we just did are going to be equal to ng items dot copper ingot, like so. Now we have our closed curly brace, we have our closed thing right there. We need to import item stack, which we did. That's awesome. We're going to save that, and we've initialized it under our pnet method in common proxy. Let's fire it up and see if this works. Now, mind you, I already went through and did the JSON files for these. I did the texture for it. So let's see where we're at.
Oh, dude, someone killed that.
That sucks, dude. So, crafting table. We have copper ingots. You'll see that I have a block in there. We are going to put these in here, and we have our copper block, like so.
Nope, nope.
Now, what we can usually do in vanilla is we can put a copper block in here anywhere and get back our 9 ingots. However, I haven't set that up yet, so let's do that. That's going to require a new recipe, which is specifically a shapeless recipe. So we are going to say game registry.add shapeless recipe. And this is going to be a new item stack, ng items copper ingot. We're actually going to specify that it's 9 of them, and we are going to say that that will be a new object brackets, open curly brace. We're going to hit enter, and we are going to specify that this will be, and I'm just going to back it up 1, 2 here, that this is going to come from ng items dot copper ingot comma 9. Just like so. And you'll see that the way that I formatted them with Eclipse, it automatically put those down below. So let's save it, let's run it, and see what happens. Something crashed. Crafting NG recipes number 20. It did not like that. Why didn't it like that? That is an excellent question. Oh, man. I know why. I know why. I want 9 copper ingots. But I want it to come from ng blocks.copper block. Like so. And we're going to put that down there. So that way we have some consistency. Now let's try it. Hanging out, waiting for the Minecraft to load. Waiting. There we go. Gonna big in that. Single player, new world. Now, shapeless recipes are kind of crazy, right? So, let's do this. So, shapeless recipes means that it doesn't matter where you put it in your crafting box, it's going to come out the same every time. So, we come in here and we place that guy, and it doesn't matter where we place it, it's going to automatically return our result. Like so. We can change this to game mode 0. We can put it up here in our crafting box, our personal one, right? Doesn't matter. Still going to return 9. And there you have it. Those are recipes. Like, comment, subscribe, ask questions, all that other shit. And, yeah. Lots of love. I'll see you for the next episode. Okay? Bye-bye.